So yun mga kalipad, at titesting natin itong ating ginawa na Quagor saranggola. At titesting natin ang kanyang lipad. Ang hangin ngayon ay pasilangan. So let's go. So yun mga kalipad, at inilalayo na nung isang bata natin na magpapalipad. Tayo magtataas ngayon. Yan ang kanyang pinakabaskagan. Doon pa, ilayo mo pa. Oh! Inalipad na yung saranggola.
What is that? Mine, what is that?
So yun mga kalipad, at lumipad na po yung ating saranggola na Quago. Yun po.
Intro na natin yan.
Cut.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Kaping na init. Kaping Kaping na init.
So yun mga kalipad, at maraming salamat po sa panunod ng paglipad ng aking saranggola na Quago. At sana nagustuhan nyo. Box TV po. Geng geng.